So Umkhonto weSizwe political party, guys, they released a statement saying ukuthi on the 22nd of August, Ubaba, he's addressing the nation. So the overview of the address, it's about strategic organization issues and as well as the future of the in the political part of Umkhonto weSizwe and as well as South African political landscape in general. So mina, I still stand by my words ukuthi the address of tomorrow, guys, obviously they will tell us since Floyd left the EFF, moved to the Umkhonto weSizwe political party, what will be his position? Because of we seen on the news earlier but they've started discussing this position of Floyd like 6 months ago. So they've been planning to destroy EFF like 6 months ago, like for a very long time, but nevertheless. So Ubaba, guys, obviously Umkhonto weSizwe, they needed somebody who's more qualified, somebody with qualifications and somebody that understand the politics and as well as that can implement the policies and strategies in the political party. So definitely Floyd is the perfect candidate for this position. So obviously I still stand by my words. Floyd Shivambu, he will be the commander-in-chief of the Umkhonto weSizwe. And once they put Floyd Shivambu as the commander-in-chief of Umkhonto weSizwe political party, MK will be more popular than the ANC because of, like, obviously, guys, who in the MK, they need somebody who's more outspoken, that can address Q&A during Guma media press briefing, and as well as that can also like address the publicly. So because of Ubaba Nyambona, even the speech by Amfundel, Ubaba he needs to just rest abe there in the background, be the ghost leader, just like Helen Zille, and then somebody like Floyd Shivambu run the political part. It will be so interesting, guys, if it can be like that. If it can be in that way, especially having somebody young that is running the political party and food is somebody that understands the political issues in South Africa. So yeah, that's my view. But I still stand by my words. Floyd Shivambu, he will be the commander-in-chief of Umkhonto weSizwe. That's what they are going to do tomorrow, to tell us, so that going forward, Nabati press briefing, we know who's going to address the nation in terms of this opposition political party. And once Floyd Aba commander-in-chief, MK will be more popular. Trust me.